Good day! We are Group 1.
We will present our data on mental ability test scores of the job applicants through SPSS.
I am Hector Jorge Lopez, and together with my groupmates, Menard Cañeda, Shera Mae Caldito, Katelyn Cuison, Joan Lyn Maddatu, and of course, Dhan Matthew Picardal.
For the given dataset, the following data are the mental ability test scores of applicants for the job title Executive Secretary. The name of our construct or variable is mental ability test scores, in which we have also listed the numerical values of our data below, which are as follows: 24, 83, 36, 11, 81, 39, 77, 62, 38, 66, 20, 22, 44, 33, 38, 67, 41, 87, 38, 41, 55, 28, 82, 35, 82, 80, 68, 40, 27, 43, 15, 83, 88, 31, and 80.
However, there are decimal numbers that are already determined before that, as you can see here. This can be changed by selecting the variable view, clicking on decimals, and changing it to 0 to get a whole number. Since n is greater than 30, we are going to use a grouped frequency table. First off, we are going to click on Transform and then Visual Binning. As you can see, the data was labeled as Mental Abilities Test Scores. Then we click on Make Cut Points.
After which, we identified the first cut point as 11. Then, the number of cut point is 6, is based off the class intervals. Then the class width is 13, in which we have computed them manually. Then click Apply, then make labels after that. Click OK. Then, as you can see, the categories are labeled correctly.
After which, in creating a histogram, click on the Graphs then Chart Builder. Then choose histogram, in which you have to input the bin data in the x-axis. Then change the y-axis label as frequency, then click Apply. As you can see, our histogram has space. You can change this by double-clicking the graph, in which a new window will be shown. Click on the x-axis, then click Apply. The bar option will be shown, in which toggle bars up to 100%. Then you can see the histogram is now finally in accurate measure. Then you can see our group histogram.
For the interpretation of our histogram, you can see that in the x-axis contains the class intervals, which are derived from the bind test scores on the given group dataset. On the other hand, thus, the y-axis contains the frequency.
In order to know the measures of central tendency, we would click on Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, then Frequencies. We make sure that the original test scores must be used in order to properly evaluate the mean, median, and mode. Then click on Statistics, in which you have to check the mean, median, and the mode. Click on Continue, and also uncheck the Display Frequency table. Okay, so just to review, our mean, or the arithmetic average, is 51. The median, which is the 50th percentile, or the middle score, is 41. And the mode, which is the most frequently occurring score, is 38, or at least the scores near that.
19 applicants failed the mental ability test, while 16 of the applicants passed it. Since the test results show that the applicants' mental abilities are inferior, we may say that the majority of them failed. Identity, magnitude, equal unit size, and absolute zero are all characteristics of the data. It is also an understatement to say that the mean, which calculates the average of all test scores, is frequently employed to determine the test scores. And that concludes our presentation of our data. Thank you.